effortless, easy and effortless techniques and give it to whole world. And because of this technique, thousands of people benefited. And those who learned meditation and used to do meditate every day, they are free from many worries. And it is also found that there is a coherence in the society. And when number of people meditate twice in a day, 20 minutes, so there is a coherence and society feel that there's some blessing. There is a means degrading many kind of evils, that we are the part of this Mahasi organization and we are learning it and we are used to do every day. So this is, whenever we are the part of this school, we every day, whether in the school or at home, we should meditate at least twice. If you are not able to twice, but at least once, find a time and just feel the benefit. I am just telling you the experience to me. I was just infected with corona and the thing was very serious. When I came back from the hospital, I do 3 things. Pranayam. तो आप करते हैं ना प्राणायाम and meditation. And I feel that I recovered very fast. मेरे साथ जो दूसरे people थे infected, they are very slowly recovered. But when I practice twice a day, I recovered very fast. So this I experienced. That is why I am telling you. If you do this with heart and soul, then definitely you will be benefited. लेकिन उसमें क्या है कि आपको पूरा डिवोशन देना पड़ेगा, डेडिकेशन देना पड़ेगा. On this occasion, our chairman, Brahmachari Grisi, just sent a message to read you before you. Now I am reading that message. Teachers, administrative staff, students and fellow citizens of our great India, kindly accept my best wishes on the 108th birthday of His Holiness Mahasi Mahesh Yogi Ji. 108 Mahasi Ji संवत्सर, the day of the age of enlightenment, जिसे हम ज्ञान युग दिवस के नाम से भी जानते हैं, ज्ञान युग दिवस. It is our great joy today that we all resolve to accomplish all the resolutions of Mahasi Ji, a great son and saint of Ved Bhumi Bharat. His Holiness Mahasi Ji Mahesh Yogi Ji, Mahasi Ji has provided the world with a simple, natural and effortless technique, जो भी हमने बात की, transcendental meditation, to refine consciousness of human beings and enable them to reach higher state of consciousness. Higher state, we just equality और इसको, वहाँ कोई भी बुराई और वो कुछ नहीं रहती, we just feel our consciousness. Performing from the level of consciousness, they get full support of nurturing power of the nature to become enlightened leaders, to give new dedication or direction to the society and later on the whole country and the world. Today we resolve that, हम सभी उपस्थित हैं, उनका कहना है, today we resolve that we all will become such enlightened leaders. How we become enlightened leaders? We have to practice that and we have to spread this technique to around us in the society. Right? So this is the way. And bring peace, prosperity and invincibility for every individual and every nation very soon. I wish complete success for all principals, teachers, students and every one of our dear fellow citizens in the coming year. I feel confident that our combined dedicated efforts will generate a lot of coherence and positivity in the society. जब हम सब लोग मिलकर के एक एफर्ट करेंगे, मिलकर मेडिटेशन करेंगे, राइट, और उनकी जो उन्होंने टेक्निक्स दी हैं, शिक्षाएं दी हैं वेद विज्ञान की, if we just spread it just together, what will happen? Positive in the collective consciousness of the society, leading us to realize the vision of MySCG to establish lasting peace and to create heaven on earth. उनका ये कि जब हम सब लोग इस चीज़ को स्प्रेड करेंगे, उसकी प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, then there is a coherence और तब एक प्रकार का heaven on earth you feel it. क्योंकि सब जगह बुराई कम होगी, बीमारियां कम होगी और एक दूसरे से जो ईर्ष्या है वो कम होगी, तब एक पृथ्वी पर हेवन आपके एक स्वर्ग जैसा दिखाई देगा। लेकिन होगा कब? जब हम इस टेक्निक को कंटिन्यूअसली प्रैक्टिस में लाएंगे। So this year we will celebrate and will work on establishing world peace through Indian Vedic culture and tradition. Thereby, you are requested to please celebrate the day and make plans for the year to fulfill this great sankalp. Jai Gurudev, Jai MySCG, Brahmachari Grisi. This is the message from that. And I also appeal that we just, whether we are in this